Hi, this video gives you insight to the painting process of a landscape of an old European town with a reclining or sloping street with a few people and old-fashioned buildings. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the red subscribe button, and do not forget to leave a comment below in the comment section. If you like, well, then definitely. And even if you do not like this video, or if you find this video not interesting, still I want to know more about your feedback, or maybe you want to know more about a specific part of this painting or video or the process. So please leave a comment. Generally, I upload a video a week. You'll find many videos painted in different color schemes on my channel. And yes, rural and urban. You'll find both these types here. So do check out these other videos as well. Towards the end of this video, you'll find a sequence of images depicting the development of this particular landscape at different stages in a chronological order. It would be a matter of pleasure for me to know from my viewers as to how they relate to watercolor or landscape painting, or maybe watercolor landscape painting, or any kind of painting, maybe acrylic or oil and canvas, and so forth and so on. So, expecting your replies on my channel in the comment section. If it's a watercolor painting, then generally most of the times it's done from the lighter tone to the darker ones. Element-wise or area-wise, from light to dark is the sequence in watercolors. I've switched from a round brush to a flat brush. Well, along with lines depicting perspective, we have another option, variation in size, that also creates equal sense of illusion of depth. Hit this link to see another video of painting a European town, a different painting on my same channel. and the final outcome. Coming up is the short recap of the entire process. This is a close-up video of this landscape, and I'm going to zoom in shortly. Please hit the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified. I wish you happy painting.